Good day. Earlier today, NEASA launched its case in the High Court in Pretoria against government's measures which aims to deal with COVID-19 in the workplace. This code of practice was dumped upon employers and employees in March this year and became effective on 5 April. This code deals with various issues. I'll only mention a few. 1. The risk assessment which employers are obliged to undertake is entirely unrealistic and impossible to implement. Secondly, we will challenge the Minister's attempt to justify a vaccination policy under the Occupational Health and Safety Act. COVID-19 is not a problem confined to the workplace. 3. The code infringes upon and restricts various constitutional rights, including the right to dignity, privacy, bodily integrity, the freedom of trade and occupation, the freedom of conscience, freedom of religion, belief, and the opinion of the individual. NEASA, among other arguments, argue that the Occupational Health and Safety Act neither affords the Minister the power nor any employer the right to limit constitutional rights via the vehicle of workplace safety. We make the point that since vaccines cannot prevent transmission and infection, and both vaccinated and unvaccinated persons spread the virus and become infected, this limitation of constitutional rights cannot be justified under the Constitution. We also argue that the majority of South Africans do not want to submit to any of the current vaccines, and that in a democratic society, policy should at least consider the citizen's voice, especially when considering whether force and coercion should be applied. We also make this very important point that there is no justice or morality in coercing an autonomous individual into receiving medical treatment against his will, especially where such treatment entails potentially severe consequences for the recipient thereof, and the treatment has not been proven to accomplish the goal for which it is mandated. I will, in the days to come, share more information in respect of the contents of this legal challenge. The legal process which we have embarked upon will not be finalized in a short period of time. In the meantime, stand firm on your principles. Following your convictions is always the right thing to do, no matter what. I thank you.